Hey coders, choosing the right IDE can make or break your workflow. Today we're diving into Codelite, Visual Studio, and Codeblocks to see what they offer and which one's best for you. Let's break it down. First up, we have Codelite. It's a free open source IDE perfect for C, C++, PHP, and JavaScript. It's lightweight, using 50 megabytes of memory, and supports multiple compilers like GCC and Clang. You get syntax highlighting, code completion, a GDP debugger. It also integrates with Git and supports Node.js and TypeScript, making it great for desktop and web development. Ideal for those who want a streamlined cross-platform tool. Next, we have Visual Studio Code by Microsoft. This is a powerhouse for .NET, C#, and multi-language projects. It's feature-rich with IntelliSense for smart code completion, robust debugging, and profiling tools. It supports mobile and cloud app development, but it's heavier, needing 5 gigabytes of disk space and more resources. Perfect for professional developers or large-scale projects. Finally, we have Codeblocks, another free open-source IDE. It's tailored for C and C++ with a modular design. It supports GCC, Clang, and MSVC compilers, offering syntax highlighting, code folding, and plugin extensibility. It's lightweight and cross-platform, but its code completion lags behind. Great for students or small to medium C++ projects. So, how do they stack up? Let's compare. Codelite shines for lightweight, multi-language coding with strong C++ and web support. Visual Studio is the go-to for professional multi-language projects but demands more resources. Codeblocks is ideal for C++ beginners or those needing a simple, customizable IDE. For speed and low resource use, Codelite and Codeblocks win. For advanced features, Visual Studio Code takes the crown. Choose Codelite for web and C++ with low overhead, and Visual Studio for enterprise-level power, or Codeblocks for straightforward C++ projects. Pick what fits your needs, and happy coding.